Yeah, the debris went a little far, didn't it?
I found a piece. Didn't expect this was going to happen today. Here's a small piece.
No.
What if I keep this small piece of debris? How do you do it on the news?
Right now I'm just doing video.
This is part of the tire.
Yeah, the brand new recycle can got hit. Yep.
Oh no.
Yep.
Oh no. Where is this sand from? Is this from the house? This is.
Yeah, it looks like it's what was under the porch and along the foundation. The truck fit through those two poles up there at the corner, followed this path. There's tire tracks on the grass over there, or it went over the bushes, came this way, hit that house, hit this house. This house will be torn down immediately following removal of the truck, they said. No one's living in the house at this time. It was being worked on though, rehabbed, but the only injury was the driver of the truck. Unknown the cause or what caused the accident at this time. So this part between Lakeview and East Street is closed off for this accident.